Want to speak real Thai from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at ThaiPod101.com.
Hi everybody, Jay here. Welcome to Ask a Teacher, where I'll answer some of your most common Thai questions. The question for this lesson is, how do I use เลย in Thai sentences? The word เลย has various meanings in Thai and is used differently depending on the context of the sentence. Today, we'll learn about its meanings and how you can use them in sentences and everyday conversations. The first use of เลย is for emphasis in a statement sentence. This is when you want to exaggerate one part of your sentence. For instance, ไม่มีเลย I don't have any. Or in proper sentence, หมาไม่กินข้าวเลย The dog is not eating anything. This is put at the end of a statement to make the sentence sound more extreme and to put stress on the action of not eating. Compare this to หมาไม่กินข้าว The dog is not eating, which is a plain statement without any stress on the action. Another use of the word is to mean further or beyond. This is usually when you are asking or giving directions. For example, someone asked, ห้องน้ำอยู่ที่ไหน Where is the toilet? The answer might be เลยร้านนี้ไป It's further down this shop. Notice how we put เลย at the beginning and before the noun ร้านนี้ This changed the meaning of the word to mean further or beyond contextually. When using this, เลย is always followed by a noun or place. The noun doesn't necessarily have to be at the beginning of the sentence. For example, ขับรถเลยทางออก I drive past the road exit. The last use of เลย is to use it as a result of something. Let me clarify. เลย can be used as a conjunction word. For example, ร้านทำผมปิด ฉันเลยไปตลาดแทน The salon was closed, so I went to the market instead. Now, in this sentence, เลย is put in between two statements to mean as a result of something. Pretty interesting, right? If you have any more questions, please leave a comment below. Bye! สวัสดีค่ะ